Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. For this video, I'm going to open up another dollar bead box and bag. And in case you're new to this, the dollar bead box and bag are monthly bead subscriptions that you can subscribe to online. And they also offer sometimes some other like deals and stuff. And they also have an online store, which I have gone and bought from their online store. And it is awesome because you can buy everything for $1. But in order to do that, you have to be a member. So I recommend that you go to their website. I will leave a link for the website down there in the description bar below this video, so you can go check them out and read all the information about their monthly subscriptions. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I made a playlist for you guys, because every time I get a box, I make a tutorial or two, depending on what I can come up with and if I have enough time to do it. And I have the dollar bead box playlist, and in the playlist I have where I've opened up the boxes, and I also have the videos there that I've made, the tutorials with the stuff that I get in the box. So for this video, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Of course, I'm going to start with the dollar bead bag, just like always. So this strand here, they sent me a strand in a 3mm one time, and I loved it so much. I never got to use it. I'm kind of hoarding it. It's really neat. I'm happy to have it in a 4 now. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 3mm. These are all 4. Okay, matte aqua, which is this one here. I think I have this in the 4mm. Very pretty. And then turquoise Vega, which is drop dead gorgeous. It's like my absolute favorite color. And then crystal gold lined. Very pretty. And then full coat chrome. So last month I got this in a 4mm, and now I have the 3. It looks different compared to the labradorite one. That one's more silver. This is a darker silver, almost like a stainless steel color. And then 4mm, crystal cranberry lined, which is probably this one here. This one's also very pretty. And then the Seafoam Opal AB. This one is gorgeous. I love this one. Man, that is pretty. And then the Opaque Yellow Nebulous Luster, which is probably my favorite strand in the box. It's really unusual. I like unusual beads because it's fun to design with them, you know, something different. And then this is the crystal copper lined AB, and I think I got this in the 3mm last time and I used it. Very pretty. And now I'm going to go to my box. So my cat today has decided to sit in front of the camera. He's right there and he's kind of like under my light, so he's making a cat shadow. He might come in the camera anytime, so just want to let you know about that. Ooh. So I know this box is going to be very exciting because the last dollar bead box I had, their note said that they would be getting a huge shipment in from their trip. That they went to the Czech Republic, so they got a lot of good stuff in this month's box. So right away I noticed these. I love these so much. I almost bought these. I saw these at Lima Beads. They were pretty pricey though, so I didn't do it. So first I'm gonna start with the strands. So I'm gonna set. Ooh, look at these. Separate them. Oh my gosh, it looks like this month's box is going to be awesome. Okay. First thing on the top is 4mm check glass onion jet black. This here, this is different. I apologize for the cattail. I have not seen a bead like this. It's very unusual looking. Pretty cool. I wonder what I could do with this. Okay, so there's 30 in that strand. And then the next thing is 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle Jonquil opal. These are gorgeous. I love these. And there's 25 in a strand. I really love the check rondelles. They are the best quality that you can get. Their holes are nice and smooth. They're not sharp. They will not cut your thread. They're just perfect. And then the next thing is 2x3mm check glass gem cut rondelle opaque oval travertine. These here. These are really pretty. I would describe this color as split pea soup. Those are neat. I like those. And then the next one is 5mm check fire polish opaque turquoise. 25. I like that I'm getting 5mm beads because I don't have many of them. I've used a lot of that size, so it's nice to have them. And this is my favorite color. It's so pretty. Gorgeous. I love turquoise, blues, colors like that. The last strand is 4mm pewter spacer, antique brass or antique copper. These are metal? I thought these were drugs. They are, they're metal. Oh, these are really nice. They look just like check drugs. Now that I could see the hole, I could tell that they're not drugs because the hole's bigger than a drug. These are beautiful. Very gorgeous. I like how big the hole is. Okay, and then after the strands, now I'm going to do 18x25mm pewter fairy charm, antique silver plated fairy charm right here. She is pretty. I'm going to take her out of the bag. I want to see what her wings look like. Okay, so she's just one-sided. But she's still very pretty. And then after the fairy is 10x40mm pewter leaf. Leaf? Ooh. This is pretty. Yeah, I like this too. Very nice. And then 14mm check glass Hawaiian flower, jet black or pink. This bead here. These Hawaiian flowers are so flippin' expensive, especially the giant ones. I have some strands in this size, but there is like a bigger one. I think it's at the size of a quarter, and those are just so expensive. They're really pretty beads. So cute. And then after that is 36mm resin flower or assorted colors. 3. These here. Oh yes, I love flowers. These are huge. I love the pink and purple one. So pretty. And then after that is 8x28 pewter with silver plate connector. These, oh my gosh, okay, so I've used these before in a previous video. I got them, it was either, I think it was antique brass. It was antique brass or antique copper color, and I made earrings with them. Do you guys remember? They were really neat looking earrings. These are pretty cool connectors. I like those. They were easy earrings to make. Okay. So now I'm looking for 12 by 16 millimeter check glass voodoo beads. Did I cover them? Right here. So I got these also in a previous dollar bead box, and I made a really neat lariat necklace with them. They're very pretty. They're so cool. Last time I think they were matte black with a powder blue, like the color of my nails, in the indentations. And then after the voodoo beads is 8 by 10 millimeter check glass. What is this? Trilobite? Assorted colors. Trilobite. Oh my god. No way. These are so cool. I love that one. That one right there is just so pretty. These are awesome. Wow. Man, what am I going to do with these? These are so cool. There is some really neat things in this month's box. Okay. Now I'm looking for 10 by 14 millimeter check glass table cut turquoise opal with travertine. That's these here. These are neat beads. I already have some of these in, I think mine's like red with travertine. They're very pretty. I think a ring could be made with these. Also earrings, because there's a pair of them. But a ring would be cool too. Okay, and then after this, those are similar in color. Now I'm looking for 6 by 22 millimeter check glass vitral coated feather. 6. That's these. These are definitely new check beads. I haven't seen these before. I think these are brand new. I want to say these are new. I think these just recently came out. So a lot of these shapes are like brand new. That just came out. These are so cool. So as you guys know, I love to make flowers with the check leaf and petal beads. So these would probably make really neat flowers. And their colors are amazing. Pretty darn cool. Okay, I'm dying to get to the elephants. Now I'm looking for 12 millimeter silver plate toggle. One piece. That's this here. This is pretty nice. Very delicate toggle. And then the next thing is the 20 millimeter check glass elephants. I'm really excited about these. I wanted to buy these. I just saw these, like, was it last month? I was looking at them on Lima Beads. And I'm like, no, look at those. Those are so awesome. They're so pretty. The hole goes straight up to the middle. I think they would be awesome in a necklace with like charms, like a chunky charm necklace, like a long necklace. Put one in it. It would be really cute. I love those. Okay, the last thing on the list is 12 by 14 millimeter check glass pillow bead. Pink opal 3. I have this bead shape. I have one of these in a white opal color, and then I have them in orange. They're such an unusual bead because they're at an angle on the side. See the holes going through it? It's an unusual shape, but they're very pretty. So I am really excited about this month's box. There is some really awesome pieces in it. A lot of this check glass in here is like new glass. These here, I want to say these are new. Those are new. The elephants are new. This flower here has been around for a few years. But yeah, there are some really neat things in here. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.